Hey and welcome to Friday Tech Tip. My name is Carsten Mielbach and today I'm going to show you how you enable pop-up for incoming PSTN calls in your Teams client. So what that is that if you're getting or your client is getting an incoming call, a browser will pop up with a new window and it will show the E164 format number within a URL string, so you can open up your CRM system or other. In my case, I will show you how you do a Google search on the phone number. So what we're going to do is we're going to start by going out into a Teams Admin Center, and in here we're going to go under Voice. In Voice we have the calling policies. So my suggestion is that you create a new policy so you don't operate in global, so it will affect all the users. Here I've created a new policy called screen pop-up. So if you go into that one, in here all the normal settings and so on. I don't want to talk about those, but at the bottom we have the slider here where we can enable open apps in browser for incoming calls. And when we enable that, we get a field here at the bottom where we can type in the URL to our CRM system or whatever URL we want to pop in. An important thing is that it only works with HTTPS. So if it's not HTTPS, it will not take the input and you will get an error at the bottom and it wouldn't work. So you type it in and you quote it around phone, then you're good to go. Then you need to assign the policy to the users that are having the option. And just because you assign it to the user doesn't mean that pop-ups will come on all the users. So step 2 is that we go into the client, and in the client, if you go into settings and under calls, at the bottom down here, we will have a new slider saying open apps in browser. We need to enable that, or the users need to enable that if they want the pop-up to be working. So when that is done, then I'll just put in a test call, and the browser is not popping until we have answered the call. So I will answer the call now, and as we can see, then the call is coming in here, and we have the URL up here with my E164 number typed in as expected. Good. So for pop-up, it works for incoming calls and it works for call queues as well. So hope you can use this little video for begin testing and finding out if URL pop-ups is something you can use in organization. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day.